Welcome to the AI Toolkit Online. In this video, we'll explore the AI RSS feature, your tool for staying informed and generating content from RSS feeds. So to get started, log into your dashboard and select the AI RSS feed located here. Now, what is RSS, by the way? So RSS, or really simple syndication, is a way to collect updates from your favorite websites in just one place. It helps you stay informed without manually visiting multiple pages of the website. So with AI RSS, you can add the RSS feed URL of a website or blog. The AI automatically pulls updates and organizes them for you. So to get started, simply paste the URL and add in fetch RSS. Now, for the sake of this, I've selected an RSS from BBC, and this is going to be technology news. The AI will start collecting and analyzing updates from that source. So as you can see, the AI just doesn't pull the updates, it summarizes the articles. So there are, it provides a number of selections you can choose from the articles that you want to do. I have a Jaguar, so let's take a look at the stunning or rubbish Jaguar's new concept car divides opinion. We could even rewrite the article if needed to something other than the intended design. So let's take a look at Grumpy, because their new design I thought was absolutely horrid. So it's going to rewrite the RSS based on the tone that you give it. So you can save the summaries. You can also generate content to the documents section for future use, or you could just export it for immediate sharing or publishing. So the AI RSS feature keeps you updated, helps you create engaging content effortlessly. So log in today and see how AI Toolkit Online can transform your workflow.